Quiz on life skills. Learn with us, kids. Which of the following is not an example of a good citizen? Concerned only about personal interests. Following rules and regulations of a civilized society. Keeping the surroundings clean. Helping others. Answer. Concerned only about personal interests. Which one of the following statements is not true? Communication is a process by which information is exchanged between individuals. It is okay to share your toothbrush. Hurting others is a bad habit. Keep bathroom doors closed when not in use. Answer. Hurting others is a bad habit. If a person is using mobile while driving, it can result in increased risk of accident, decreased attention on driving skills, impairment of peripheral vision. All of these. Answer. All of these. Which of the following is not a feature of verbal communication? Words. Pronunciation. Paper. Syllables. Answer. Paper. Which of the following habits is good for our health? Playing video games 5 hours daily. Playing football 1 hour daily. Eating 4 chocolates daily. Sleeping 12 hours daily. Answer. Playing football 1 hour daily. If one of your classmates hits you, then you should inform your teacher. Hit him back. Start crying. Run away and never go to school. Answer. Inform your teacher. What is an important quality of a healthy relationship? Citizenship. Mutual respect. Bullying. Criticizing. Answer. Mutual respect. Which of the following options is true about using a seatbelt? It increases the chances of accident. It saves lives and reduces the severity of injuries. It makes traveling uncomfortable. All of these. Answer. It saves lives and reduces the severity of injuries. If a person touches a hot surface and gets burnt, then you should run cool water over the burnt area. Put ice on the burn. Apply an antiseptic ointment on the burn. All of these. Answer. All of these. You should ride a bicycle on footpath, side road, cycle track, zebra crossing. Answer. Cycle track. If one of your classmates is suffering from heat cramps while playing, then what should you do for him? Apply cold packs. Give cool water or sports drink. Massage muscles. Ask him to walk slowly. Answer. Give cool water or sports drink. Which of the following is a part of good table manners? Hold your fork in your left hand, tines downward. Hold your knife in your right hand. Use your fork to spear and lift food to your mouth. All of these are. Answer. All of these. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a good student? To study regularly. Not paying attention in class. To get good marks. To be obedient. Answer. Not paying attention in class. Which resource is most useful when you are preparing for a test? Your textbooks. Your friend. The internet. None of these. Answer. Your textbooks. When you disagree with someone, you should communicate in aggressive tone. Show disrespect. Explain your perspective calmly and clearly. None of these. Answer. Explain your perspective calmly and clearly.